Hello everyone. So I am going to discuss today most common, repeated and confusing sometime confusing question in hematology, a spotting question. So a spotting, I am going to talk about a spotting question. A spotting. So a spotting usually have three type of answer. First is here in this three tube. First thing is identify the tube. Second point you have to write identification point. So first is identify, then identification identification points, and then third thing is uses. So these three question you will get with this. uh, Out of three this pipette you will get one pipette, and points you have to write. The first thing is identify the tube and write the name, and then identification points, how you can say that this is the this pipette, and third point is uses of this. So first thing I will discuss this one. So number one, as it is shown, this is the RBC pipette. RBC pipette. Why this is RBC pipette? So here you can see the marking 0.5, and then here you can say 1. You can say marking is here you will get 1. So it may not be clear here, and then marking is 101 first. Okay, so that is why second point we say marking is 0.5, 1 and 101 first point. Then second point of identification is red bulb, red bead. So red bead is red. And third point you can say the bulb size is bigger, but bulb size bigger you can say only in case you will get the WC pipette side by side, because this is a comparative size. So if you get WC pipette also there, then you can say bulb size is bigger. Otherwise, how can you say this is a big size? But relative to bigger than WC, but this is a comparative size. Then you can use this. And then fourth sometime we can use, but this first 2 point is very important. Fourth, you can use the mouthpiece is red in color, so mouthpiece color you can use. Now let's move to the this tube. What is this tube? This is the WBC pipette. WBC pipette. So first question answer of this first question is WBC pipette. Identify the pipette. Then second, identify the instrument you will get. Identify instrument or pipette, whatever question you will get. So second point here is the how identification point. So here identification point is marking you can get here 0.5 and 1. This same like this. Here 0.5 you will get, and here you will get 1. So here you will get 0.5 and here you will get 1. So these are same in both WC pipette as well as RBC pipette, but here marking will change. So here you will get 101 and here you will get 11. So 11. So 0.5, then 1 and then 11 marking. Then second point is say RBC have red bead, but here you will get the white bead. So you can say white bead. Third point, again mouthpiece is white and bulb size is smaller. So third and fourth point you can add if you want. Clear? So two thing is clear. Now we can discuss about the uses. So first RBC pipette uses. Okay, so I'm going to third point, uses of RBC pipette. Okay. This is the second point. Now third point for RBC. I'm talking about the RBC pipette now. Here you can see use, obviously RBC count. So it's total. I'm talking about total RBC count. Obviously RBC count is done in the total number. Then second point we can see use platelet count. We can use platelet count. Third you can see we can use in the sperm count we can use, and fourth we can see WBC count. Yes, right, we can sometimes use RBC pipette to count WBC also, where WBC count is very much high. In cancerous condition you can say, or any other condition in which WBC count is very much high. In that condition, to count WBC we can use RBC pipette. So we have 4 points. First thing is obviously RBC count. Second thing is platelet count. Third is a sperm count. Fourth is WBC count, in which in condition in which our WBC count is very much high. Now I am talking about the third point of in case of WBC pipette. So third point. So function, uses, or you can say. So uses obviously WBC count, WBC count, total WBC count. Then second one is obviously some time we can use RBC count. When RBC count is very much low, in case of anemia, severe type of anemia, you can say RBC count is very much low. In that condition, we can use WBC pipette to count RBC. And third, we can sometimes use absolute eosinophil count. So eosinophil count we can use diluting fluid, blood, by while using the WBC pipette, and we can count. So up to now, I think everything is clear. First thing, question you will get, question identify the instrument. So then second one, identification point you have to write. Then third one is user. So now first I'm talking about the RBC pipette. So here you will get the red bead. How so? And so you must know identification point to identify the first, answer the first question. You must know the second question also. Second point. So identification point here is the red bead, 0.5, 1 and 101 marking. Then you can say this pipette is RBC pipette. Why this RBC pipette? Because this marking is 0.5, 1 and 101. Okay. Then bead is red in color. So these 2 points is enough to confirm that this is the RBC pipette. Third and fourth point you can use that bulb size is bigger and mouthpiece is red in color. If not, then also this 2 point is enough to confirm. Second and third point is RBC pipette uses of this. So first RBC count, second one is platelet count, third one is sperm count, fourth one is WBC count. In case of WBC count is very much high. Now let's move to the this tube. What is this tube? Pipette. This is called WBC pipette. Why this is WBC pipette? Because marking is 0.5, 1 and 11, not 101. So here, and then white bead. White bead, you can say here, white bead inside this circle, and marking is 11. So these 2 points is very, very important. Now the function, third point, uses. The third uses is so now uses of obviously WBC. So WBC count and RBC count sometime when RBC count is very much low. Okay. Now let's move to the third pipette. This is the identify third pipette. Obviously this is the hemoglobinometer pipette. So first point is identify the pipette. So hemoglobin pipette or hemoglobinometer pipette. So hemoglobinometer, just write in full pipette. Don't forget to mention pipette. Okay. Second thing is how will you identify the marking? Most important point is 20 microliter. That is the identification point. And second point, if you want to mention, then there is no bulb you can say, so that you can mention. Use obviously hemoglobin estimation. Hemoglobin estimation. Okay, that much is enough for this. So 3 pipette is clear. One is RBC pipette, second one is RBC pipette, WBC pipette, and hemoglobinometer pipette or hemoglobin, or you can say Saheli's, SAHLI, Saheli's hemoglobinometer pipette or hemoglobin. Okay. So this method used in the Saheli's hemoglobinometer estimation.